Hi students, this is teacher Chrissy and I will be your teacher for today's lesson. So for this week, we are going to have a review of your past lessons, okay? Now, I know that you talked about the long O sound, right? So we are going to talk about the long O sound, and we are also going to review on how you answer questions, okay? So let's start with the long O sound. Now I want you to open your book on page 36 and let's read some of the words with long O sound. So when you say long O, the pronunciation of the vowel O should be O, the long sound, O. Okay, can you repeat for me? O. All right, sample words are boat, snow, home, coat, window, note. Okay, so these are some of the sample words with long O sound. But I'm going to show you something, okay? So this is a story, okay? It's a short story, but the story uses words with long O sound. So I just want you to listen, and then later on, we are going to read the words with long O sound. Okay? Let's start.
Row the boat. This is my boat. I will go in my boat. Row, row, row the boat. Oh no! I have no oar. She will tow my boat. Tow, tow, tow the boat. Now let's read the story. This time,
So let's read the story. But this time around, after I read the sentences, you have to tell me which words have the long O sound. Okay? So let's start with the title, Row the Boat. What are the two words with the long O sound? Can you tell, teacher? Okay. Okay, so row and boat. They have the long O sound. Okay, let's move on to the first sentence. This is my boat. Which of the four words have the long O sound? All right, so the one with the long O sound is boat, this word. Okay, let's move on to the next. I will go in my boat. Can you point which words have the long O sound? I will go in my boat. All right, great. So go, boat. So these words have the long O sound. Go, boat. All right, let's move on to the next. Row, row, row the boat. Which word has the long O sound? All right, great job. So row, 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 and boat. So they have the long O sound. Okay, next. Oh no! So which of the words have the long O sound? O and no. Very good. Okay, next. I have no oar. All right, very good. So no and oar. So they have the long O sound. So next sentence is she will tow my boat. Okay, which are the two words with the long O sound? Great job. So we have tow and boat. Very good. And then last is tow the boat. How many words have the long O sound? Very good. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are 4 words with a long O sound. Tow the boat. Very good. Okay, now let's have another lesson, okay? So I'm going to show you some of the other words with a long O sound, and I want you to repeat after me, okay? All right, let's start. So oak. Can you repeat? Oak. Very good. So this is an oak tree. Okay, let's spell the word oak. O-A-K. Good. So oak. All right. Next word. Next word is old. Can you repeat? Old. Very good. So our grandfathers are old. So most of the old people, they have gray hair or white hair. And sometimes they're also weak. Okay? So when you see someone who is old and you think you can help them, like crossing the streets, then please help the old people. Okay? Our old people or our grandfathers and grandmothers, they need help because they are weak. Okay? So everybody say old. Let's spell the word O-L-D. Everybody say old. Very good. Okay, let's move on to the next word. Ocean. Can you say it? Ocean. Very good. So let's spell the word ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Very good. So this is an ocean. It's a big body of water. Okay? We don't have an ocean here in Phnom Penh, but we have an ocean in Sihanoukville. Okay, I've been to Sihanoukville before and I saw Otris Beach and Independence Beach, but I've never been to any other place with an ocean. Do you know any other place with an ocean? You can send me a message in our group, okay? So this is an ocean. It has a long O sound. All right, next we have overcoat. Overcoat. So let's spell the word overcoat. We have O-V-E-R-C-O-A-T. Overcoat. We use overcoat when it's so cold and we need a protection. So if it's too cold, we usually use an overcoat. We use it to cover ourselves and protect us from the cold weather. Okay, so that's an overcoat. Okay, next we have, this is an example of an overcoat. All right. Now we have oval. Oval. Let's spell the word oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. Can everybody say oval? Very good. Good job. So let's see. This is an example of an oval. All right, it's a shape. It's similar to a circle, but an oval is a little prolonged. Okay, a circle um, is wider than an oval. Okay, so an example of an oval is an egg, right? All right, good. And then we have open, open. Can you say it? Open. All right, let's spell the word O-P-E-N. Very good. So open. Can you please open the door for me? Or can you please open this bottle of water for me? All right, so open. All right. And then we have more. Okay. We have here bone. Bone. Can you please say bone? Let's spell the word B-O-N-E. Bone. Okay. So an example of a bone is like this. Okay. So this is a bone. All right. We have our bones inside our bodies also. Example, this is my arm. Okay. Inside my arm is a bone. Okay. Because if we don't have a bone, we will not be able to raise our hands or move our hands. It will be a jelly hand. Okay, no strength. It's gonna be like this. Okay, but since we have bones, we can move it freely and we can use our hand. Okay, so that's a bone. All right, next we have rose. Can everybody say rose? Okay, R-O-S-E. Rose, right? So this is a rose. See, it's a flower. It's a beautiful flower. Okay, and then our last word is stone. Can everybody say the word stone? Let's spell it. S-T-O-N-E. Good job. So a stone is like this. All right? So be careful with stones. Do not throw it to somebody because it's going to hurt their head. Okay? So please do not touch the stone or throw it away. All right? So that's our review regarding long O sounds. Okay? I'll see you next in our next lesson. Bye!